Welcome to the class, students. Today we are continuing the next session in correlation coefficient. See, for 2 marks. Okay, in examination you may get this type of problem for 2 marks. 2 marks problems we are going to solve in this session. Take down the problem. Coefficient of correlation between two variables x and y. Coefficient of correlation between two variables x and y is 0.8. Their covariance is 20. The variance of x is 16. Find the standard deviation of y. First, you just observe or analyze the given problem. The coefficient of correlation between two variables of x and y is 0.8. Coefficient of correlation is gamma is 0.8. The covariance is nothing but covariance of x comma y is equal to 20, and this is our solution. And the variance of x, that is variance of x is equal to 16. We have to find standard deviation of y. Okay, here we have a relation that covariance of x comma y divided by sigma x into sigma y. The sigma x is nothing but the standard deviation of x. Sigma y is standard deviation of y. But here they have given the covariance and the correlation coefficient. Sigma y, that is standard deviation of y, we have to calculate. Sigma x, instead of sigma x they have given the variance. So using this, calculate, take the square root of this. Root 16, that is 4. So sigma x is equal to 4. Now substitute the values. It is 0.8 is equal to 20 divided by 4 into sigma y. Take the cross multiplication. It is sigma y is equal to 20 divided by 4 into 0.8. So sigma y is 6.25. Sigma y is 6.25. In examination you will get this type of problem for 2 marks. Okay, next one. They have given covariance of x comma y is equal to minus 34. Variance of x is 40. Variance of y is equal to 35. Okay, so we have to find R value. Correlation coefficient we have to find out. We know the relation that this is covariance of x comma y divided by sigma x into sigma y. Here we have to take the square root of this. The sigma y is equal to root 40 and sigma x root 35. Okay, this is 6.324 and this is 5.916. Substitute that here. This is minus 34 divided by 6.324 into 5.916. So R is equal to minus 0.9087. In examination you will get this type of problem for 5 marks. Okay, sorry, 2 marks. Next question, they have given sigma x is equal to 7, sigma y is equal to 9, covariance of x comma y is equal to 10. So we have to find the R value. R is equal to covariance of x comma y by sigma x, sigma y. This is 10 divided by 7 into 9. So correlation coefficient is 0.1587. 0.1587. Next one. Covariance of x comma y is equal to 20. Variance of x is equal to 25. Variance of y is equal to 36. So find the R value. So R is equal to covariance of x comma y by sigma x sigma y. Here they have given the variance. So to find out sigma x, it is square root of 25. It will be 5. And similarly sigma y, square root of 36, it is 6. This is 20 divided by 5 into 6. This is 0.6666. Okay, this is how we have solved the 2 marks problems. Okay, next type we are going to solve now. If covariance is equal to covariance of x comma y is equal to 129.65, sigma x is equal to 12.83, r is equal to 0.64, find sigma y value. We have to calculate the standard deviation of y here. So I'll first write down the relations. Covariance of x comma y by sigma x into sigma y. Now substitute the values. Here this is 0.64 is equal to 129.65 divided by 12.83 into sigma y. Take the cross multiplication. Sigma y is 129.65 divided by 12.83 into 0.64. So sigma y is 15.789. Sigma y is 15.789. Here they have given summation of x minus x bar whole square is equal to 160. Summation of y minus y bar whole square 438. And summation of x minus x bar y minus y bar is equal to 240. Find correlation coefficient. So for this let us write the relation. So y is equal to summation of x minus x bar into y minus y bar. This is the formula. Summation of x minus x bar into summation of y minus y bar, the square root. Okay. So this is, we have to substitute the values. It is double summation is 240 by 160 into 438, the square root, and this after simplification 0.9065. 0.9065. So in examination, if they have given this summation x minus x bar y minus y bar will be the covariance of x comma y, and this summation x minus x bar is a standard deviation, and y minus y bar we know how to find the variance. This is the variance formula. So inside the square root it will be a standard deviation. Okay, next one. Summation x minus x bar whole square is equal to 6000. Summation y minus y bar whole square is equal to 920. The summation of x minus x bar y minus y bar is equal to 240. So we have to find the correlation coefficient. Again I am using the same formula. It is summation of x minus x bar y minus y bar divided by summation of x minus x bar whole square summation of y minus y bar whole square the square root. Substitute the values. It is 240 by 6000 into 920 square root. This value is 0.1021. This is correlation coefficient is 0.1021. This is how we are finding the 2 marks problem and we are solving the 2 marks problem. Next one. Next problem. Yes, this is our next problem. See, here they have given the variance of x and variance of y, covariance, and here we want to calculate the r value. So here instead of standard deviation they have given the variance, we have to calculate standard deviation. To find out the standard deviation, sigma x is root 9, it is 3. Similarly, sigma y is root 49, it is 7. Next, r is equal to covariance of x comma y divided by sigma x into sigma y. Substitute the values, 23 into 7. So r is equal to 0.9523. 0.9523. Next one. Here they have given the covariance of x comma y minus 100 and variance of x is equal to 400. Variance of y is equal to 25. We have to find the r value. So r is equal to covariance of x comma y divided by sigma x into sigma y. Here they have given the variance. We have to find the standard deviation. So this is sigma x is root 400 and this value is 20 and sigma y is equal to root 25. The value is 5. Substitute the values, minus 100 divided by 20 into 5. This is minus 1. So here the r value is minus 1. So these problems are for 2 marks. Next one. Covariance of x comma y is equal to 1125. Sigma x is equal to 47.5. Sigma y is 39.6. Here we have to find the r value. So r is equal to covariance of x comma y divided by sigma x into sigma y. It is 1125 by 47.5 into 39.6. So your r value is 0.5980. So this is very important concept, and you may get this type of problem for 2 marks in your examination. So this is very important chapter. Please go through this one. Thank you.